Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with a Post-WASDE report here. Numbers came out pretty bullish across the board. The only thing that was really higher than what the trade was expecting was world wheat ending stocks for 2013-14. Everything other than that was lower and pretty much seen as bullish by the trade. We're seeing soybeans 30 to 40 cents higher right now. Corn is actually only 4.5 to 5.5 cents higher. It's trading a little range. It's almost 10 higher from where it was pre-report. So it's a little surprising corn's not higher than it is. But without further ado, let's take a look at some of where the estimates were compared to what actually the report said. Let's grab our little whiteboard here. All right, so I'm going to jump in here. All right, so corn yield came in at 154.4 bushels per acre. That was over a 3 bushel per acre decrease. So that was definitely a surprise, especially when the trade was actually expecting an increase from where we were in July. So we actually got a decrease by around 3 bushels an acre. So soybean yield came in at 42.6 as opposed to the estimate of 43.5, bullish again. You had production come in at 13.763 billion bushels as opposed to the estimate of 13.98 for corn. Production estimate for beans came in at 3.255 billion bushels as opposed to 3.338. Ending stocks lower again than the estimate for corn, 1.837 as opposed to 1.971. It's billion bushels. And then soybean ending stocks, we were at 295 in July. The estimate was 262.7. Actually came in at 220. That's a huge drop in ending stocks for soybeans. So that was definitely a surprise. And then you had the ending stock estimates for wheat. U.S. wheat come in at 551 million bushels as opposed to 573. So across the board, we were pretty bullish. As of right now, we're 33.5 higher in Nov beans, 5.5 higher in corn, and then around 7.5 higher than wheat. So definitely some surprises out there as opposed to what the trade was expecting. That's why we're seeing prices trade higher. It's kind of surprised that corn and both beans aren't trading higher than they are right now. But we've only had 31 minutes to digest the report here. So we'll see how they say amateurs open and pros close the market. We'll see what the pros end up doing at the close today. So that's all we've got for today. Stay tuned for tomorrow's report. We'll talk a little bit more about how we close today in tomorrow's morning report. So thanks and have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.